Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over lesson 6.5, which is area and circumference of a circle. So just some important terms that you need to know. The center of a circle is the point right in the middle. It's equally distanced from all points along the circle. Makes sense. The radius is a segment extending from the center to any point along the circle. It'll be the same length no matter where it touches the circle. And the diameter is a segment passing from side to side through the center. Most of these are things you already knew. Anyway, and make a note that the diameter is 2 times the radius. We name a circle based on its center. So that point. So for example, this circle in the next section, we call that circle M. This length right here, that is the radius, and this whole length is the diameter. To find the area of a circle, it's pi r squared, and the circumference is pi times diameter, or 2 pi r. Either one. So we're going to find the area and circumference of some circles. The first one, we're given the radius of 12, which means the diameter is 24. So area is pi r squared. Now sometimes you will see pi left in your answer. So that might look like this, 144 pi meters squared. You may also be asked to round to the nearest tenth. And if that's the case, 144 pi is 452.39. Whenever you use pi, always use the actual pi button. Don't round to 3.14 unless it tells you to. And that button is, you have to click second, and then you click the caret button, which is the one right above the divide sign. And you should see the blue pi symbol showing up there by that button. Now the circumference is pi times the diameter. So we could just say 24 pi meters. Or if we are rounding, 24 pi is 75.40 meters. Number 2. We're given the diameter is 19, so the radius is half of that. It's 9.5. So area, pi times r squared, and that would be 90.25 pi. Or if we actually multiply that out, we get 283.53 yards squared. Circumference, pi times diameter, so that's 19 pi yards. Forgot that over there. And if we multiply 19 times pi, 59.69 yards. So our radius is 4, which means the diameter is 8. Area is pi times r squared. That would be 16 pi kilometers squared. And then if we multiply 16 pi, we get 50.27. Circumference is pi times diameter. That's just 8 pi kilometers. And 8 pi rounds to 225.13 kilometers. So number 4 says find the circumference that has an area of 64 pi. So we know area is pi r squared. So since pi was left in my 60, I was given 64 pi, we can kind of just cancel out the pi's on both sides, telling us that 64 is r squared. So I need to take the square root, and that tells me that my radius is 8. Knowing my radius, I can find the circumference. Pi times diameter, so pi times 16, which is 16 pi inches, or if we multiply that out, 50.27. Number 5, find the area of a circle that has a circumference of 10 pi. So circumference is pi times diameter. So that would mean that my diameter is 10, because 10 times pi, 10 pi, which means my radius is 5. So area of a circle is pi times r squared. So it's 25 pi yards squared. And if we actually multiply that out, we get 78.54 yards squared. Hopefully you found this one was pretty easy for you. It's probably a review. If you have any questions, let me know. But have a great day.